Here, my name is Amoya Sogunus Chiwendu, your business intelligence analyst. Today, I want us to discuss future engineering. As a data analyst, you need to know what future engineering is. What is future engineering? Future engineering is the art and science of extracting more information from your data. Here we have this data set I've already downloaded and I've gotten it into our powerbi editor. We want to do future engineering on this particular column, birth date. For us to do this, first of all, let us duplicate this column. You click on it, you right click on duplicate column so that we will have a separate data to work with. This is the duplicate here. Now let us rename this. You double click. First of all, let's name it age. We want to get our age. You click. Okay, now let us go to our transform ribbon. You click on the transform here, then come to dates, click on dates, click on age, click on age. Now come to duration, click on duration, click on total years. You get your total years. Let's the applied steps, let it apply the steps. This is total years. Now somebody's age will not really be like this. You need to do a rounding down, rounding up and rounding down. You come here, you click on this. But for age, we will not do rounding up, because if you do rounding up, instead of having 42 years, what you will now have is 43 years. So let us do round down. Round down will give us the actual age of that particular person. Sorry. Okay. Rounding. Rounding down the age. It's hanging. Yeah, we have our age now. 42 years, 44, 43, and you keep going down, you see the age. Now, that is not the end of future engineering. There are still some other things you may want to do. We talked about getting the days of the week. Okay, let us go back to that place. Maybe you want to know the particular day the person was born. Let us still use this same column. Maybe you also need to duplicate it. Duplicate column, duplicate column. Okay, the day of week. That is to rename your column, day of week. Okay, we've renamed our column, day of week. Then how do we now extract day, the particular day the person was giving birth to? How do we extract it from this column? Now you still go to your transform ribbon, go to dates. When you come to dates, you click on the drop down, go to and click on name of day. You will get either whether it was on Wednesday, Sunday, Thursday the person was giving birth to. It will show here. Let us wait for it. Still applying. Actually taking. Yes, we have our future engineering done. You see, this person was given was born on Wednesday, Sunday, the other day. See, this is how to do your future engineering and some other information you want to get. Maybe you want to get the time the person was giving birth to as well. You can still do the same thing from that your date of birth. Since we have it here, your date of birth column, this is it here. You want to get the particular time. Maybe you want to have only the time and not that. You can still do that to get whatever you want to do. And after doing it, you analyze your